Hi folks, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and we're just showing you how to fill these holes in this sofa. This is sort of the middle of the part 1 and 2, if you like. So you can see, look, that using a nice filler from LTT Leather Care, we think it's the best one. Good advertising there, and you can see, look, now getting it really smooth. Really smooth. So we'll do this for the next sort of 20-25 minutes until we've got this to the surface. Yep. Then we'll sand this down using probably about 1500, 2000 wet and dry, and this should be as smooth as a baby's bottom. Okay, so it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and see you later. Bye for now. Hi, it's Wayne again from Mobile Leather Repairs. Welcome back. And basically, when you've filled these cracks, the best thing to do then is, before you start spraying it, is to rub the paint into the cracks. Okay, this ensures basically that every little bit of the colour gets into the cracks themselves. So when you actually come to, let's get a little bit more paint on there as well. You can see the colours 100%. Okay, so when you basically come to spray it, then you get an absolutely perfect finish on there. Okay, because if you just spray it, a lot of the time, you know, there's tiny little sort of millimetre gaps and that sort of thing that will make it stand out, but this will make it uniform. Okay, so it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. Bye for now.